Welcome! In front of me I have a CMF Watch 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. You can change the watch face on this watch in a few ways. The first two ways are basically directly on the watch, and the last way is to do it on the phone if your watch is paired with a phone. I'm gonna show you all of the ways, and the first one is to wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the crown button. Then once you see the current watch face, the home screen, you can press on the current watch face, press and hold on it. It will open the watch face menu, and here you can scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you like, and then tap on it to select it and apply it. The other way to do it on the watch is to open the menu by pressing the crown button, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called watch face settings and tap on it. It will open the watch face menu. You can find the watch face you would like to use, tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu, some of the watch faces will have the settings icon under them, and you can basically change the, for example, color. And on this watch face, that's about it. But I believe all of the watch faces will have different settings to change. Oh, never mind, this one also does the color, so maybe you can only change the color. Anyway, once you're done customizing your watch face, you can tap on it to select it and apply it with the changes. Okay, and if you want to use the phone application to change the watch faces, you need to grab your phone that is paired with your watch. Actually, close this, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the application, the Nothing X application, I believe it's called. Yeah, Nothing X. And in the app you will see your CMF Watch 3. Let me just lower the brightness a bit because I think it's too bright. Okay. So you will see your CMF Watch 3 Pro on the devices page basically. And here you will see the device or dial gallery under your watch, and you can tap on one of the watch faces, I believe, to select it and apply it like this. You can also tap on this three dots basically to open the dial gallery, and here you can download more watch faces. So you can, for example, open the digital category. You can find the watch face you like and then tap on it and tap use this watch face, and you need to select the watch face you want to replace, for example this one, and then tap on replace, and it will download and apply the watch face like this. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.